This is NBC 10 News.
Dozens of people remain out of their homes this morning after a huge fire races through a condo complex in Montgomery County. It burned for hours at Chelsea Condominiums in Wyncote. NBC 10's Marissa Brady is live at the scene with the very latest. What can you tell us, Marissa?
Aditi, the fire placed under control just before 3 a.m., but crews are still here spraying down hot spots. A lot of activity here on scene. And joining me is the American Red Cross CEO, Renee Hughes. And Renee, just bring us up to speed as far as where we are with people displaced. What do people need to know this morning?
Well, as you know, they have evacuated 4 buildings because the decision was made to cut the power. So we've set up a comfort center. People should go to Cheltenham High School. That's where the shelter is, but that's also where there will be a comfort center. If for any reason you didn't need to go to the shelter last night, but still need services from the Red Cross, the service center is also at the high school. This morning at 8 o'clock, we're partnering with the Salvation Army. They'll provide a hot breakfast. We have mental health care, as well as physical care, nurses and specialists to come out and help the families deal with the trauma. Montgomery County Animal Rescue has set up a shelter so people can feel free to bring their pets. We've done everything possible to make this scene as comfortable for these families as we can.
Okay, thank you so much, Renee. Yes, right now, 55 units in Building B. That's where this fire started. But then, as Renee mentioned, the other buildings in this complex here at Chelsea Condominiums also evacuated at this point. Firefighters are waiting until the sun comes up to get a better look inside. They don't know right now what caused this. I can tell you this is very close to Arcadia University, so some of the students from that school do live in this complex and surrounding area as well. Of course, count on NBC 10 to keep you updated. We did have reports of injuries, but we're told those injuries are not life-threatening. 5 people injured, taken to Abington Hospital, and then 2 firefighters as well, all taken to Abington. We'll keep you updated throughout the morning. For now, we're live in Wyncote. Marissa Brady, NBC 10 News.